How to use Magic Eraser on Canva. Hey everyone, it's Maria here with Essetino Media, and on this channel, we show you how to create profitable content. Okay, so the Magic Eraser feature is a AI feature on Canva. It is for pro accounts only, and it is straightforward to use. That being said, it can be a little bit finicky, and I'll show you why. So to use Magic Eraser, you'll click on the photo, and you'll go up here where it says Edit, and then you want to go down here under Magic Studio where it says Magic Eraser. And you have a few different options here. You can use the brush stroke, so you can brush out whatever it is that you want to get rid of. You can use click, where you would just like click on whatever shape or image or part of the image that you want to erase. Or you could pick foreground, and that automatically will pick everything in the foreground of the photo that you could get rid of. And then text if you had text in the photo. Now, personally, click is the best option. I'll show you why. We'll try brush first. We'll just use brush to brush out this building here. You can adjust the brush size here as well. We'll just get rid of all of that and we'll click erase. And you can see it's not the best job that it's done. So we'll go to undo. And then in this case, we'll go back and we'll click on it and then we'll go erase. And you can see it did a much better job in this case. Same thing here. We can go over and click on the Ferris wheel, click erase. And you'll see here, it did a pretty good job. It did leave behind a couple of little weird things in the background. If it does that, sometimes what I like to do is I like to go back and click on brush, and I just like to run the brush across that section again and click erase. And I find that generally it just kind of cleans it up a little bit. It gets rid of those little lines that were kind of lingering. So don't be afraid to go back and use Magic Erase twice. If click wasn't quite as good as you want it to be, you can always go back and use brush to get rid of whatever other remnants might still be left behind. Other than that, it is a really handy tool. If you have Canva Pro, I definitely recommend it. You can use it for tons of different projects. So I hope this helps. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, let me know in the comments below or by hitting the thumbs up button. That would be greatly appreciated. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.